Today, our journey takes us to Western Australia to talk about one of the most adorable and happiest animal on Earth, the quokka. These little guys are primarily found on Rottnest Island, just off the coast of Perth, where about 10,000 of them live. Quokkas are small marsupials that belong to the macropod family, which also includes kangaroos and wallabies. Though they are the smallest wallabies, these adorable creatures share similar characteristics to kangaroos, including the fact that they hop around and the female quokkas have a pouch where they carry their young ones. A fascinating aspect of a quokka's biology is their reproductive cycle. A baby quokka is called a joey. Quokkas are marsupials, which means they give birth to underdeveloped babies, and then complete their development in their mother's pouch for about 6 months. Right after the joey is born, the female quokka can mate again. This is where something called embryonic diapause occurs, where they can pause the development of the embryo for about 5 months. They do this because the female quokka can detect whether the joey will survive inside the pouch. If it does survive, the embryo will just disintegrate. However, if it does not survive, the embryo will resume development and will be born within 24 to 27 days. The quokka is about 16 inches tall and weighs anywhere between 5 to 11 pounds. They're about the size of a domestic cat, with a round face, a short tail, and the most infectious smile you'll ever see. Their inherent cuteness and seemingly perpetual smile led their reputation as the happiest animal on Earth. They're incredibly social animals, they love living in close-knit communities, and they have zero fear of humans, which is pretty rare for wild animals. This has caused a lot of influx of pictures on social media of people taking selfies with the quokkas. Though it may seem tempting to also take a selfie with them, they're not always friendly. They have big sharp teeth and long sharp claws that they will use if they feel threatened. And not only that, but also it's actually illegal to not only touch them, but also it's illegal to feed them, and you could be charged with a $150 to $300 fine if you do so. So, while it's incredibly tempting to take a photo with these photogenic creatures, it's important to remember to respect their space and refrain from offering them any food that may be harmful to their health. Another interesting fact about the quokka is that they can regurgitate their food. They will swallow their food whole, without chewing, then regurgitate it later and eat it again. Fortunately, they are herbivores and their diet consists of grass, leaves, and bark. They also have a unique ability to survive on limited water sources, deriving most of their moisture from the plants they consume. This adaptation helps them endure the dry conditions of their habitat. And lastly, they can also keep fat stored in their chubby tails as means of surviving when food supplies are low.